So students, today we are going to study the subject environmental studies. Lesson number 23, growing up and growing old. You know what is the meaning of growing up? Growing old? Old, you know what is old? Yes, yes. What is the opposite of old? What? Young, right? So growing up is the child is growing up. What do you mean by the child is growing up? Small baby, then big baby. बच्चा जब बड़ा होता है, हाँ, तो उसे हम ग्रोइंग अप बोलते हैं, ठीक है? So now we are going to study growing up and growing old. Can you tell what is the boy's mother in this picture wearing? Can you see the picture here? Yes. There's a family, right? And there are some questions. You have to observe the picture and you have to give the answer. Okay? See the picture. All the answers are in the picture only. You have to see the picture properly, observe it, and then tell the answer. Okay? What is the boy's mother in this picture wearing? What is the boy's mother in this picture wearing? What is the mother wearing? She is wearing a blouse and a sari. What is his sister wearing? Yes, she is wearing a Punjabi suit. Okay. Kurti is there, chudidar is there, and dupatta is there. What is the color of his grandfather's shirt? Light blue. Yes. What is the color of his father's shirt? Green. Okay, nice. How did you guess who is the mother? Who the mother is and who the sister is? How did you guess? How did you come to know who is the mother and who is the sister? It is not written here. Then how did you know? Because of their age and what they are wearing, right? Can you talk to the grown-ups to find out the following? When does a baby start holding up its head? 3-4 months. Very nice. When does a baby start teething? Yes, very good. When do babies begin to turn over? 9 to 10. Yes, good. Okay. Okay. So when does the baby start holding up its head? Around 3 to 4 months. When does the baby start teething? 8 or 9 months. When do babies begin to turn over? 6 or 7 months. When do babies learn to stand up? 9 to 10 months or a year also sometimes. Why aren't new babies fed rice? Because they cannot digest it. Okay. Why do small babies need to be carried? Because they cannot stand, they cannot walk. That is why. Okay. Okay. Now keep the finger. I'm going to read it. Okay. You keep the finger on each and every word as I'm reading. As we grow, a little baby is born. Everyone is happy. The mother lovingly takes care of her baby. She bathes the baby every day. She feeds it milk when it is hungry. She sings it to sleep with lullabies. Slowly, the baby grows. It becomes taller. Its weight also increases. As the baby grows up, it learns to crawl. Its teeth come out one by one. Then it learns to stand and later to walk. All this while it gains in height and weight. So as the baby grows, its height increases, right? Its weight also increases. When you were a small baby and now you are little bigger, now are you having the same weight? No. When you were a baby, you are having little less weight. Now you are having more weight. The baby learns to recognize its mother. It learns to recognize other people. It begins to have it begins to have other foods. Mother feeds the baby rice with milk. Gradually, it begins to speak. Whether it is a boy or girl, nature does not differentiate between the two in their growth. When they become bigger, they are not babies any longer. A little boy becomes a big boy. A small girl becomes a big girl. At the age of 6, children start school. They keep growing in height until the age of 18. Until 40 years of age, a person remains fit. There is no gain in height, but weight keeps increasing. Good habits and good food help to maintain good health. So, for having good health, what do we need? We need good food and we should have good habits. Okay. We benefit from regular exercise. Even after 40 years of age, there are changes in our body. Gradually, eyesight becomes weak. Hair starts turning grey. The color of our hair changes when one grows old. Okay. From black, it turns into grey. In old age, the body strength decreases further. Hearing and memory become weaker. Teeth begin to fall. We sleep less and develop various disorders. One day, death occurs. So this is our life cycle, right? We are born as a baby, then we grow a little young, then we grow older, and then death comes, right? This life cycle gets over. Do you know a baby is given vaccines to prevent the diseases it may contract later? Vaccination? Do you know vaccination is given to children? Certain vaccines have to be given at certain stages of growth. It is important to give every child the proper vaccinations. Can you tell? See, now there is a picture. See, observe this picture. Okay. These are three pictures of the same mango tree. Which is the oldest picture? Which picture is the most recent? Which picture is the one of the time in between? How did you guess? Can you see? Can you guess which is the recent one, which is the oldest one, and which is the middle one? Like a baby, like a young child, and then old. Can you tell which is the oldest? Which is the oldest? Which is the youngest? And then this is middle age, right? Growth of plants. Just as people change over a period of time, so do plants. When a seed sprouts or germinates, a new plant is produced. For the sprout to grow, it must take root in the soil. Only then does the seedling that grows from a sprout flourish. See, there is a seed, right? Then it becomes plant, then it becomes a tree, right? Flowers come on it, fruits come on it, like different trees bear fruits. Not every plant is going to bear the fruit, but this is what happens. They are small, they are just a seed, then you pour water, then you put soil, and then it grows, and slowly it becomes a big tree. Only then does the seedling that grows from the sprout flourish. The seedling absorbs water and some nutritious substances from the soil. The leaves begin to make food. The plants begin to grow. It gives out new leaves. It also begins to grow taller. As the proper stage of its growth, the plant begins to flower. Fruits develop from flowers. These fruits have seeds. From those seeds, new plants grow. Turn the page. A tree must withstand the sun, wind, and rain all the time. Sometimes it is attacked by pests. This makes the tree weaker. At last, the tree trunk breaks, the tree falls down, all plants die. However, the causes are different. Just like humans, even plants die. Okay, the reason could be different, but they all die. Okay, so this was your lesson.